Now we will create a new project. So you need to go to File, New, CCS Project, and then we need to configure the following project settings. We need to choose the target, the connection type, give it a project name, the compiler version, the linker command file we need to leave it empty, the runtime support library we need to choose this file, and then we also need to choose an empty project because we are going to copy files from the example to this the folder that will be created called Hello World inside the workspace, and then we will click on finish. Then we will copy or unzip the files for the Hello World example into this folder. So after you install the C55 compiler and then you relaunch the Code Composer Studio, we can go to File, New, CCS Project. So here we have the new CCS project. We need to choose the target to be the C5515, and this is our board, the TMS 320C5515. Then we need to choose this Texas Instruments XTS 100 V2 USB debugger probe. We are going to give our project a name, Hello World, and it's going to create this folder Hello World inside the workspace. The compiler version, there's just this here, and here we need to leave the linker command file to none, and the runtime support library is this file here, and the project is empty project. So we can finish, and it creates our empty project here. Now we have here this application one getting started zip file with all these C files here, and I'm going to extract this to my workspace. So I'm going to the Texas workspace, the folder Hello World, and I'm going to select this folder and I will extract. So now when we go back here, we have our Hello World project, and we have now the files that we extract or copied to the Hello World folder inside our workspace.